the players into position, get some ball movement, and maybe you can drive to the basket. I will not rule out the possibility of them going to a three-point shooter if the guy is open. Or kung may sumaksak, sinalubong, baka may malibre.
Yan, sinabi mo yung 3-point shooting. Ito yung San Miguel. Not bad, ha?
Especially here with Mustre having hit 3 in this second half. So that's also another option. You can win the ball game outright.
Right, at hindi ka na mapapagod.
Ano na nangyari na yan di ba sa Chicago Bulls when they beat the Phoenix Suns.
Ito ang inbound, ang crucial one. Wala na pong timeout ang San Miguel.
Si Mustre is going to the three-point territory.
6 seconds to shoot.
Tira yan.
Tumira ng 3 points.
Oh my God! Titira yan!
Patay si Mike Mustre. Scoring a 3-point shot. A 20-second timeout. Court of last resort para kay Coach Sonny Jaworski at Dr. J. Basang-basa mo yung gustong gawin. Bakit ka pumunta sa 3-point shot? Pagod na players mo?
No, it's not that. You know, it's just, I have a feel, and I know what's going to happen. It's the other team who do not know what is going to happen to them, you know.
Nakita mo na Dr. J, sinisilip mo na, pumunta na si Mike Mustre sa ibabaw. Pero the reaction ng Gordon's kulang.
Yeah, because alam na rin ni Coach Jacobs na kung, you know, they're gonna look for that two-point shot. But if kung walang options, they would go. There's a 20-second timeout. Jaworski, remember, used his last time. Now they have to throw it from the backcourt. They cannot go to the half-court. But that's still a lot of time. Still a lot of time. You can make a long pass, and remember the ball, the clock doesn't start until the ball touches somebody on the live floor.
Backpick ito ha, backpick ito. Yan. Backpick, okay? Parang patatlo. Wala tayo wala tayo.
It's a lot of time.
Wala sa choice, Dr. J, kanina kasi nung napilitan siyang mag 20-second timeout. Eto, umatakbo na si Ron Jacobs, humingi ng technical because Gordos is taking too much time sa 20-second timeout nila.
That's true, but it's been happening to all clubs since the start of this season. I think they must be a little
Dapat
bit more
nasa referees ito.
Yeah, they should just call them and blow the whistle, warn them.
Warning na agad.
Correct. It's gonna be a long pass. Ito, malayo pa ito.
Di na to ni Valdavid.
Wow! Yes! Valdavid! Oh, no! Oh, no!
What a shot! Valdavid! That basket count!
What?
At si Valdavid, nakukumpara na dito sa dami na nagkahagulo sa kanya. And Ron Jacobs, lumapit sa kanyang conquerors. But what ball game, ha? Ito si Sonny Jaworski. Ron Jacobs, nagyayakap sa gitna. Nakatawa pareho.
Look at this play, Panoorin mo ito, Chino. 3.8, maraming oras Walang pumaul. Ang layo nito, Henry James Jr.
Ibang klase ito. Nahawa na kay Henry James.
Nahawa kay Henry James.
And Valdavid converts on that shot. Anong gagawin mo na sa tirang yan? Ito po, ang bato. Ang half-court heave ni Valdavid was iced the ball game. 83-81 sa pabor ng koponan ng Gordon's Gin. What an ending.
Ba't ang magagaling na shooter, Chino? Parating pag bumitaw, ang mata nila sinusundan yung bola. It's not parang nananyamba ka lang, bibitawan mo. Ito sinusundan yung bola, parang may kumpiyansa ka na shoot mo.
83-81 na final score. What a ball game. Magbabalik po kami. At hindi magtatapos ng ganyan kung hindi dahil sa pukol ng isang batang napakalaki ng puso para sa larong ito. Of course, pinag-uusapan po natin si Valdavid sa kanyang pagpukol ng last second shot na yon.
It's an opportunity to look at again, Chino. Remember, nag-20-second timeout ang Gordon. Sunny designed the play.
Dito, 1.8 seconds na lang. Nakita na siguro ni Val yan.
Tingnan mo yung mata niya. Tingnan mo yung mata niya. Following the shot all the way. Following the shot all the way.
At yun, ang nagbigay sa atin ng panalo, nagbigay sa kupunan ng Gordon's Gin ng panalo 83-81 kontra sa San Miguel Beer. At kung pipili ka ng player of the game, siyempre isa sa mga kandidato mo si Valdavid, 13 points, 4 assists plus the winning basket. Pero hindi isa lang yan, Dr. J.
Because we cannot take away the statistics of Marlo Aquino and how well he played in this ball game. So because of mahal rin natin si Al Mendoza that always tells us to get that player of the game pag kasama siya sa winning shot. The other player of the game is Marlo Aquino.
Hindi natin po questionan yan ang game-long brilliance ni Marlo Aquino dito sa ating game nito. Siya ang ating isang player of the game. Si Marlo Aquino had 21 points, 7 assists. At siya talaga yung pinuntahan nila. At ang ating Hardy Flex king of the boards, maganda rin ang nilaro nito. Kailangan bigyan din ng parangal ito.
Well, he played very well in the first 3 quarters, pero nawala ng play offensively si Noli Locsin. But rebounding for the night, it belongs to Noli Locsin.
Yes, siya po ang ating Hardy Flex, king of the boards, si King Noli. 10 defensive, 3 offensive rebounds. At paano mo naman hindi makikita yan as king of the boards